Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a MicroSD card into your DJI Mini 5 Pro to expand its storage. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a great little drone. It has built-in storage, but if you want to expand that further, you do need to get a MicroSD card and insert that in the port next to the micro USB one. And you need to make sure you get it the right way up. So the contacts need to be facing the top of the drone where the power button is. So I'm just going to put that in, and then once you get it there, just push it with your fingernail and it clips in. Likewise, to take the memory card out, you need to push that in with a fingernail and it clicks out. So it has a little sprung insert for the memory card, and essentially that's how to insert your memory card. Now, depending on the memory card you're using, where you've purchased it from, if you've used it in other devices, through the DJI Fly app or through your remote controller, you might need to format that memory card. But that will be very dependent on the memory card itself, where you got it from, what devices it's been, and also what DJI's drones think of that. If you'd like us to do a video on that, please do let us know in the comment section below and we can do that. So yes, this was just a quick instruction video, a quick tutorial on how to insert a microSD card into the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.